Close the curtains, neat and looks. Keep it tidy every day in a neat and clean way. Mop the floor, vacuum the carpet, desk and chair all set. Sweep the dust, make it right. Everything is clean and bright. Mop the floor, vacuum the carpet, desk and chair all set.